Hi, John here for Car Dealer Licenses. Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss, owning your very own business, calling the shots, and getting paid for what you're truly worth? Then my newly updated Car Dealer Licenses training course is perfect for you, especially if, like me, you just love being around automobiles. With over 40.5 million used vehicles changing hands this field is not only bustling with opportunity, but bursting with financial potential as well. This training course is a step-by-step field guide to organizing, starting, and successfully running a pre-owned or used car dealership business. We cover virtually everything, from getting your dealer papers and licenses, to organizing your workplace, to finding, buying, and selling cars, as well as making sure the cars you find will be worth your time and effort to bother with. In fact, the video modules on how to accurately appraise a car's true condition are alone worth every dime of your very affordable investment. This intensive dealership course leaves nothing to chance. It's a soup to nuts actionable blueprint for putting you in the entrepreneurial driver's seat, getting you up and going with your very own business. About the only thing my course can't give you is the desire to succeed. But if you have a burning need to make a better life for yourself and your family, the Car Dealer Licenses course can jumpstart your way to success. Listen, I don't know of any other program available in the pre-owned auto industry that gives you so much actionable, take-charge information as Car Dealer Licenses. I'm looking forward to having you on board.